To activate your virtual Chime card, start by downloading the Chime mobile app from the App Store or Google Play Store if you haven't already. Once the app is installed, open it and log in to your Chime account using your username and password. If you don't have a Chime account, you will need to create one by providing some basic information such as your name, email address, and phone number. After logging in, navigate to the Cards tab and select the Virtual Card option. You will be prompted to agree to the terms and conditions, so make sure to read through them carefully before proceeding. Once you agree, your virtual Chime card will be generated and displayed on the screen. To activate your virtual Chime card, you will need to verify your identity by providing some additional information such as your social security number, date of birth, and address. This is a standard security measure to ensure that your account is secure and to prevent any unauthorized transactions. Once your identity is verified, you can start using your virtual Chime card immediately. You can add it to your digital wallet, such as Apple Pay or Google Pay, or use it to make online purchases. You can also use your virtual Chime card to set up direct deposit, pay bills, or transfer money to your friends and family. It is essential to keep your virtual Chime card information safe and secure. Make sure to keep your account login credentials confidential and never share your card details with anyone. Also, be sure to monitor your account activity regularly to detect any suspicious transactions. In case you encounter any issues during the activation process, you can contact Chime customer support for assistance. They are available 24/7 to help you with any questions or concerns you may have. By following these steps and best practices, you can easily activate your virtual Chime card and start enjoying the benefits of a secure and convenient digital payment solution.